Hey you guys, so today I'm coming at you guys with a video. It's a sample review video. I'm trying out some mascara. I like Chanel. So I'm trying out Chanel, and this is like a sample. And I'm not sure if I should buy it or not. Buy it or not. I'm not sure if I should buy it. So it's the Volume De Chanel Mascara. It's the 10 Noir. That's what color it is, 10 Noir. So I'm gonna try it on camera and see what comes of it and what you guys think. So it has a nice little brush. Has a nice brush. I should do it right here. It has a nice brush. So what I usually like to do is start my mascara at the base of my lash and wiggle up. Setup's kind of... I'm standing up today, so it looks nice. It's nice for the most part. For the most part, it looks nice. So what do you guys think? Difference between this one and this one. I think it's cute. I may try this out. I may buy this. Like I said, this is Chanel, Volume De Chanel, and the color is 10 Noir. So I may try it out. I may buy it for Christmas. I don't know. So I love you guys. Be blessed. Tell me what you guys think. I love you guys. Be blessed. Bye.